Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss simple tips and tricks to spot the end of a downtrend. All right. So if you have been trading for some time, okay, probably you have been looking for reversal, bullish reversal pattern at the end of a downtrend. All right, so you want to pick the bottom of the market when the downtrend is about to end, when the bearish momentum is diminishing. All right, so this is something that those who are trading the oversold stochastic, the oversold CCI, all right, are looking for. So how do you determine that the bearish trend is about to end? All right. How do you know that the financial instrument is becoming oversold? This is about to spot the end of a downtrend. All right. So once and for all, there are many ways that they can determine that we are coming to the end of a downtrend using Fibonacci pattern, using Elliott wave pattern, and other trading strategies. All right, but today I will just show you just a very simple way that you can have a bit of idea that the bearish trend is about to end. Simple tips and tricks. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to use the most neglected trading tool, the Pitchfork tool. And it allows us to determine that the downtrend is about to end. Very simple and very powerful. In order to draw the Pitchfork tool or to put the Pitchfork tool on our chart, we need 3 points. Here it is, price going down from a point A to point B. So it went down here, it went down all the way here. Then it rallied up a bit. So price went down from A to B at the beginning of the downtrend and then rallied up a bit. Here we have it. Alright. Now we apply the Pitchfork tool to those 3 points. By the way, if you do not know how to use the Pitchfork tool or draw the Pitchfork tool, okay, go to www.dayprotraders.com and click on Pitchfork tool trading. So here we are, the first point, the second point, and the third point. So some traders may say to me, George, I already know this. What are you talking about? I will encourage you to stay with us, okay? So normally, if the price is going down or trending, it will remain within the boundaries of the Andrews Pitchfork tool. So here you can see that as the price was going down, it remained almost inside the boundary of Pitchfork tool. Here it came out. If it's coming out of the bearish Pitchfork tool, if it's coming out, it's indicating to us that the bearish momentum is strengthening. Alright. Here, in order to determine that the downtrend is weakening or is about to end, you can see that the price must come out above the bearish Pitchfork tool. So this is the first indication. This after this candle here is closed. This is a very interesting scenario here. You can see that as the price rally up to the edge of the Pitchfork tool, traders try to sell it. This is what we are talking about all the time. But they are selling at the wrong place. This level here, 90817 for the S&P 500 is a very important key level. 10817 was a very important key level. And though the price was retesting the edge of the Pitchfork tool, it was a very important key level and the price couldn't come back down. But not only that, the bullish trader pushed it above the Pitchfork tool. This is the earliest indication to us that bearish momentum is weakening. Price has managed to escape, so to speak, the bearish channel. All right, the bearish Pitchfork tool, and now we will wait until this candlestick bar is closed. Because we are a monthly chart, we'll wait until that candlestick bar is closed. If you were on a weekly chart, we'll wait until that weekly candlestick bar is closed. All right, but in this case, it was quite interesting because there is another key level. So I was talking about the pink line, which is 90817, horizontal key level. But there is another blue line here on my chart. What is this? What is this blue line? Okay, let's go. I think on the quarterly chart, you can see that blue line. See? Connecting a low and this low. It's a trend line, beautiful trend line that was in place. Okay? And as the price breaks above that peak line, that Pitchfork tool on the monthly chart, it was retesting that critical bullish trend line. So there is also a key level that we are talking about, 90817, and also that important trend line. Let's go back to the monthly chart. So not only the price has managed to escape the bearish Pitchfork tool, it also closed. Look carefully. Look at this. This candle managed to close above that bullish trend line. After that, swing traders, those who want to trade the S&P 500 to buy, will implement a top-down trading method, a multiple time frame trading method to trade it. And the price went up. But there was a better scenario because one can be, this is the first indication that the bearish momentum is weakening because the price has escaped the bearish Pitchfork tool. The confirmation of that the bearish momentum has now finished is right here. The confirmation that that bearish momentum that was within the bearish Pitchfork tool has ended is right here. The price has now formed a higher low. And look at that. He retested that important blue trend line. This is buy, buy, buy. Saying goodbye, and at the same time saying to you, buy this stock now, buy this financial instrument now. So bye-bye to the downtrend and buy the financial instrument. The price has now escaped the bearish Pitchfork tool and now confirmed to us that at the right place also, on the edge of that blue trend line, the price has started forming the first higher low. This is a very simple way to spot the end of a downtrend, price coming out of a downtrend. There are more to this, but I'll leave this example here today, and you start working with it. And I will be looking for other examples when it becomes a little bit complicated. I'm talking about the time when the price will completely come at a very early stage below the Pitchfork tool and will continue to go down for a while before it starts going up. It becomes a little bit tricky because in that case, which I do not have that example now, when the price will come out of the Pitchfork tool and stay below it for a long time before coming back inside. There is a better way to determine the end of a downtrend in that case when the price is out of the bearish Pitchfork tool and stay below it for some time. All right? I will be coming to that. Okay, we will show you a complex way to determine, a more complex way to spot, okay, the end of a downtrend. But this is the simplest way to determine the end of a downtrend. When the downtrend, let's say 70% of the downtrends remains within the boundary of the Pitchfork tool. But there are times when the price, when 70% or even 60% of the price action will be below the Pitchfork tool. It makes it a little bit tricky to determine the end of the Pitchfork tool. So in that case, if you wait until the price comes above, okay, the Pitchfork tool here, that's too late, because in a complex case, we will use another Pitchfork tool, and I will look for another example, and I will record another video to explain to you how you determine, how you spot the end of a downtrend when the downtrend is out of the initial Pitchfork tool. So a beautiful confirmation here on the edge of the trend after the price come out of the Pitchfork tool. Now it form a higher low. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. So one more thing, simple way to determine, okay, simple tips and tricks to spot the end of a downtrend. Use the Pitchfork tool. All right. Use the Pitchfork tool. All right. Now, before I close this video, one will also monitor the price structure, talking about in a downtrend, the price must form lower lows, lower high, until it fails to form a new lower low. That information will also help us to determine, okay, all right, the end of a downtrend. The chart pattern that usually appear at that point in time is the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern when the right hand side shoulder is out of the bearish channel. You can see that this one is retesting, so there was a low. This is another low. The tail, I'm using the tail of this candle as a low, and you can see that the price out of the bearish channel before forming. The right hand side shoulder of the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern must be outside the bearish channel. I hope you have found this video also useful and will help you to spot the end of a downtrend, a bearish trend, the end of a bearish trend. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to clarify your specific question. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about simple tips and tricks to spot the end of a bearish trend. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.